Hello there, I'm Hadris with WTI and I want to show you guys this really handy Bodico scale that gives us an accurate result of our weight. I like that I can see my weight in bahts, kilograms and pounds, so I don't have to worry about doing any math. Just step on it and it tells you the results automatically. A few seconds after getting off, it resets to zero, making it very easy to use. We usually use it to check our weight, but it's also great for weighing our pets or household items. The design is sleek, made of durable glass, and the rubber grips underneath are practical to prevent slipping in the bathroom. It's excellent for keeping track for our weight for a healthier lifestyle. And that's my point of view.